Hello everyone and welcome to another video. In this video we are going to be making stir-fried cabbage. Let's begin. So guys, you're going to need to heat some oil up in a pan, and then from there you need 1 head of cabbage. You're going to cut your cabbage into strips and put it into the heated oil. Don't put it into cold oil. The oil needs to be heated and not overheated because it'll burn your cabbage. From there, I'm putting in a half of onion. So I chop that up, and I'm going to put in some carrots. And I just kind of put in a handful of carrots and just to give it some color and a little flavor. From there, you're going to just continue to stir this up to try to break down the cabbage so it'll get nice and tender. So after about a minute or two of stir frying, we are going to steam the cabbage the rest of the way. By stir frying the cabbage first, it helps to cook the cabbage quicker. So what we're going to do here now is we're going to add in some water. This is about a half a cup of water. Depending on how much cabbage you have, you might need a whole cup. And then from there, I'm just going to just mix this up to make sure it's stuff, all around. And then I'm going to put my lid back on and let the cabbage steam the rest of the way. So now it is time for some seasoning. We're going to take that lid off and we're going to add some sea salt, and we're also going to add some all-purpose seasoning, and that is any all-purpose seasoning that you like you can add to the mix. Notice guys, I did not give measurements for the seasoning. This is by taste. I say add in and taste it along the way and see if you like it. If you need measurements, I would say start with a teaspoon of each and add as you go. So guys, here is our cabbage plated, and we had made some turkey wings to go with this. I have attached that turkey wing recipe to this video so that if you click that, you can add that to tonight's dinner. As always, thank you for joining us. If you liked today's video, give us a thumbs up, a smiley face down in the comment section. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, a subscribe, and hit that bell notification. We upload a new video weekly. See you then. Bye.